Hi everyone, Namaskar. Good evening. Welcome to the third episode of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani. And as always, it's my time. It's time for to see all of you. It's time for me to meet all of you. It's time for me to connect with you, all of you personally. And I know बहुत ही tough time है. It's time for all of us to be together, to be stronger, and come back on the roads with happy hearts, with a smiling face. Ladies and gentlemen, I usually come at 4, but today we have a very special guest with us, and it's time for me to call. But because he's a very special guest, और मेरी बहुत सारी requests करने के बाद, he finally agreed to come here in this episode of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani. He's going to be here with us in some time. And I know all of you already know who this special guest is, जो कि आज हमारे बीच में आने वाले हैं. But उससे पहले I'd also like to see कौन-कौन लोग हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं in this third very exciting episode of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani. Just drop in your. I already see the comments. Hi, good evening, everyone. I already see the comments pouring in. Our guest is also going to be here with us very soon. But before that, I would like to share something with you that has been going in my life. So, since all of us, we are, in this fraternity, all of us, we are blessed with the talent of talking. I was having this discussion with my family and friends, and they told me that, Manvi, everyone's doing the same. So, what different are you doing? And for a moment, I actually thought, yes, everyone's doing the same. What different am I doing? But then at the same time, I also realized, and I also gave this a thought that, yes, everyone's doing the same thing. There's no doubt about it. But at the same time, my the objective and the my initiative was all about spreading happiness, spreading joy, and uplift the human spirits, because that is what we need the most right now. So in the episodes of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani, I try to get maximum people who have been, making sure that there's a change, there's a positive change all around, and it's not just surely entertainment. It is also to get entertained as well as get some inspiration. Hi everyone. Hi Ashima. I am just waiting for my guest to also join us on stream. In the meanwhile, there's so many people who are watching. Please make sure that you drop in highs and you drop in your comments. And any guest who you'd like to see on this episode of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani, please make sure that you drop in your comments and tell us who you'd like to see here on stream with you. I'm just waiting for my first guest to join us this evening. Because it's a very busy time for him, because there's so many webinars that he's attending, and there's so many initiatives that he personally is taking. I will let's see how many comments are here till now and how many people are watching us till now. Third episode of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani. You want SRK Sonali? I wish I could get SRK, Ranveer Singh and Deepika. I wish they were in my reach, but definitely I will make sure that, whosoever, any person who has made an impact is definitely here, so that they can inspire, they can share their real life. एंड ऐसी पर्सनालिटी से, ऐसी लोगों से हम आप सभी को रूबरू करा सके. He's going to be with us in some time. But in the meanwhile, you guys tell us, what are you guys doing? Deepak, you tell me, what are you doing and how are you spending your quarantine? Swati, Sonali, Ashram, all of you guys are here. You tell us what you guys are up to. How are you spending your days? How are you spending your quarantine? Okay, guys, we have another very special guest with us. जब तक हमारे आज के पर्सनालिटी हमें ज्वाइन करते हैं, I'll introduce Sonali. You're cooking, reading, and cuddling. That's so sweet of you. I wish I also had the opportunity to cuddle. But yes, I'm cuddling my pet and my family members right now. Swati, you were watching Mahabharat. I am sure it's a must watch. Even I will start watching after you have said so much about it. Hi, Anurag. Can you hear me?
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Thank you. Good, good, good. Very good. Really excited to see you here on screen. Anurag, we heard a lot about you and we have seen so much. You are so talented. And
thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for being here. And so we've called you here because after seeing so much, talent in you and so much potential. So, guys who are watching this right now, watching the stream right now, Anurag is from Mumbai. And he's a very talented singer. So Anurag, let's because our guest is also here with us, so we will also get him on screen. But let's have one song from you.
Okay, for sure. कौन सा song आप सुनना चाहोगे? मैं अपनी तरफ से कोई song सुनाऊं?
Any song.
Okay, for sure. फिलहाल. Okay, this song is called Filhal, sung by Viprak. So we will all like it. वो कुछ ऐसा कर कमाल कि तेरा हो जाऊं, वो कुछ ऐसा कर कमाल कि तेरा हो जाऊं, मैं किसी और का हूँ फिलहाल, मैं किसी और का हूँ फिलहाल कि तेरा हो जाऊं, मैं किसी और का हूँ फिलहाल कि तेरा हो जाऊं। गलत है जो भी कर रहा जानी, पर है भी देख तेरे बिन किंचे मर रहा जानी। गलत है जो भी कर रहा जानी, पर है भी देख तेरे बिन किंचे मर रहा जानी। मर जागे ले संभा, वो मर जागे ले संभा के तेरा हो जाऊं, वो मर जागे ले संभा के तेरा हो जाऊं, मैं किसी और का हूँ फिलहाल के तेरा हो जाऊं। रे रा 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 रे रा रा रे रा रे रा 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 रे रे रा 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 रे रा रा रे रा।
Thank you so much, Anurag. Anurag, because our guest for this evening is right here, I will take you back again. It's 4:07. I'll take you back again at sharp 4:30. So please be ready because we have so many requests coming in. Thank you.
For sure.
And Anurag, we'll see you very soon in the next 20 minutes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're really excited to introduce our guest for this evening. All of you have been seeing him on screen shining with his talent. Let's bring him on screen. Hi, Himanshu.
Hi, Manvi. How are you doing?
Good, very good.
Wonderful seeing you here.
Same here. Firstly, thank you so much. I think I can't contain my excitement right now. It was such a challenging task for me to get you here on screen.
I know. I understand that.
Thank you. And finally, we see you here with us. So Himanshu, ladies and gentlemen, everyone knows him. He was the winner of Nach Baliye 2015, and ever since his career started soaring, and people have seen him shining on many reality series like Khatron Ke Khiladi, and you were also there in the Bollywood movie. So Himanshu, quickly, and of course, now that you've started a wonderful initiative called Share and Grow. So सबसे पहले तो आपकी journey नच बलिए से शुरुआत करते हैं. धीरे धीरे we'll take it ahead. So how is everyone saying hi to you? Hi, first.
Hey everyone. Can I also see the people are saying? Okay, the comments have started to come.
Yes.
Hi, Sonali. Yes.
Everyone's excited.
Hi, Ashna. Hey, Basu. Yes, tell me. Yeah.
Yes.
So the journey of Nach Baliye, I think it's a beautiful journey, to be very, very honest, and especially once you win the show, it is like a cherry on the cake. And fortunately, with God's grace, with so many people's wishes and blessings, we won it. But yes, it was there was a lot of struggle. I won't deny that. There was a lot of, as I called, शिद्दत, मेहनत, तपस्या. ये तीनों तो थी. बिना उनके तो आप जीत ही नहीं सकते जिंदगी में कुछ भी. और वो था. फिर उसके बाद अपने आप ही आई थिंक शेरन ग्रो की शुरुआत भी नच बलिए से ही हुई थी, क्योंकि वहां पे 3rd एपिसोड में मैंने कुछ बोल दिया था. तो मैंने एक लाइन बोली थी, जो लाइन बहुत ज्यादा बाद में वायरल हो गई. बहुत सारे लोगों को उस लाइन ने टच किया, और कहीं ना कहीं लोगों की लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म हुई. कहीं ना कहीं लोगों को लगा कि ये बहुत ही कमाल की लाइन है, विच आई सेड इट, एंड इट रियली हेल्प देम बेटर देयर रिलेशनशिप्स, बेटर देयर लाइफ. थोड़ा नया पर्सपेक्टिव मिला लोगों को उस बात को सुन के. तो आई थिंक उसके बाद मैं तो भूल गया था, क्योंकि वो उस दौरान की बात थी. लेकिन फिर 2016 में 15 में नच जीते थे, तो 2016 में आई थिंक वजह तुमों की मैं शूटिंग कर रहा था. उससे कुछ टाइम पहले की बात है, that something happened, and then my wife told me that you should do something like this, where you should share all your experiences of life. You've been helping so many people unknowingly, so let's just put it in a structured format, in an organized format, and help
Right.
people out and reach out to more and more people. And that's where I think Share and Grow started. And since then, it's been 3 years. We're constantly working at it, each day, each moment. I do not sleep. And work also keeps
yes,
us
because
engaged.
even I have that thing in mind. Sonali, she wants to ask, please repeat that line. Even I am excited to know what
हाँ,
line. What line was it?
वो लाइन थी कि जब इंसान ही नहीं रहेगा तो उसकी गलतियों का क्या करेंगे, छोड़ देते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Oh my God. I think definitely. I'm sure this was the line. This was your fund at that time that has actually
Yeah,
changed.
because I feel मानवी क्या होता है ना, जिंदगियां, पता नहीं लोगों ने इस बात को महसूस किया कि नहीं किया, लेकिन मैंने बहुत महसूस किया कि पलक झपकते ही जिंदगी खत्म हो जाती है. हमें लगता है कि हम जिंदगी हमारी है, हम इतने साल जिएंगे, ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा. लेकिन मैंने देखा अपने डैड के साथ भी, अपने कुछ क्लोज फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी, समथिंग हैपन एंड इट जस्ट वाइप्स आउट ऑल ऑफ अ सडन. तो
Right.
जब तक इंसान रहता है, उसकी गलतियां देखते रहते हैं हम, बार बार उसी में नुक्स निकालते रहते हैं. इंसान चला जाता है तो हम उसकी अच्छाइयां गिनते हैं कि वो कितना अच्छा था, उसने कितना हमारे लिए किया.
I
बड़ी बड़ी
know.
अजीब सी बात है ना, जब तक है तो उसको नुक्स निकाल रहे हो, उसके अंदर खामियां ढूंढ रहे हो. लेकिन जब वो चला गया तो अच्छाइयां. लेकिन जब आप चले गए, उसके बाद अपने अच्छाइयां ढूंढ भी ली तो क्या किया.
क्या
तो
फायदा.
बेहतर यह है
Right.
कि जब तक इंसान है, उसकी गलतियां ना देखो, उसकी खूबियां देखो, खूबियां
Right.
गिनो, कमियां नहीं, और आगे बढ़ो.
Right. Himanshu, so there's a question which is,
Yes.
आपकी त्वचा का राज क्या है?
मेरी त्वचा का कोई राज नहीं है. इनफैक्ट आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल आस्क मी दिस क्वेश्चन. आई मीन I
You
think
smile all the time.
absolutely simple in all these formats, because my whole concentration, क्योंकि मेरा हमेशा से मानना रहा है कि खूबसूरती से ज्यादा खूबसीरत होना चाहिए. मतलब सूरत से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट
Right.
होनी चाहिए. तो आपके कर्म,
Important.
आपकी भाषा, आपकी सोच, आपका एटीट्यूड, आपका बिहेवियर टुवर्ड्स लाइफ, आई थिंक वही है जो रह जाएगा. खूब मतलब ये जो सूरत है, ये तो माँ बाप ने दी है, ऊपर वाले ने दी है.
It will go away.
ये हाँ, it will go away. It will
Yeah,
obviously,
it will
yes.
fade
So I'm
with
not
time.
self
Yes.
obsessed. I think I've never been. That's why I've always admired talent more than beauty. I think कला जो है वो ऊपर वाला देता है, लेकिन उसे निखारना पड़ता है. ब्यूटी ऊपर वाले ने दी है, आप you can be thankful for that, but you can't keep yourself self obsessed with the same thing again and again.
Right. So Himanshu, you're also into Bollywood and you're also at the same time into TV. Which excites
Yeah.
you more? Which drives
Any
you
day Bollywood.
then to look forward?
Any day Bollywood. Any day Bollywood. And in fact, last year I shot for the film for Dharma Productions as well, called Sher Shah, with Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani, which is going to release, which was meant to release on 3rd of July, but I think it will be postponed now, predominantly because obviously Corona. We were dubbing at that point of time, and Sid ki dubbing abhi baki hai, which is going to take 15-20 days, and the studios are closed and VFX is closed.
I know.
So I think this may go down to September, but yeah, so any day Bollywood, because I think the kind of experience that you get there, the kind of satisfaction and fulfillment that you get there in Bollywood, it is much, much better than in television, because television also comes through a everyday telecast, every day, the quantity is more important than quality over there. And as an artist, I think I've already done enough television, almost 15-16 shows over a period of 13-14 years. You realize that you want to shift to quality rather than quantity now. It's done and dusted with now.
So people are saying hi. Vidya Kulani says hi. Sonali
Hi.
she says your words are very inspiring. Karishma
Thank
also
you.
says hello, and Ashma says she's waiting for. She also had another question. She asked, "Are you married?" So everyone
I am,
wants
of course, married. I am married. It's been 5 years I'm married, and I'm married to the same woman whom I loved. I mean, I still love. It's been 16 years we're together now. आई थिंक इसके ज्यादा बहुत सारे लोगों के दिल टूट टूट रहे होंगे, आई एम श्योर।
Yes, heartbreak.
बट हाँ, बट 16 साल हो गए इस बात को। आई मीन 2004 में मेरी मुलाकात अमृता से हुई थी,
It's
एंड आई थिंक
2020.
yeah, so it's been
You've been in
16
love for
years.
so many years.
Yeah,
Super.
yeah,
Super.
and there's a beautiful bond. There's a very depthful bond that I share with her, and I mean she's a very inherent part of me now. So वो तो है ही है.
So we'd also like to know, who are you married to? Who is this wonderful soul who has been in love with you for so many years, and she continues to love you the same over and over again. In fact, the love increases. Who's that
Yes, it
wonderful
does.
lady?
Her name is Amrita Khanvilkar, and she was with me in 2004 in Z Cinestars Ki Coach. And you
Okay.
must have seen her as Munira in Razi. She was also in Malang. She was also in Hat Trick, in a lot of films, in fact, you know, Phoonk, Phoonk 2, Contract. He was also with me in Nachpali. You know, we got married and we won Nachpali together. So
Superb,
that's my
superb,
beautiful wife.
superb. I think everyone knows both of you. So it's, as a matter of
Yeah.
fact, you guys don't need any kind of introduction. Okay, 16 years sounds like okay. Somebody says Sadiq here says
Yeah.
16 years sounds like a story to be told.
हाँ मतलब है, मतलब लेकिन बहुत बहुत सारी मतलब story to be told in the sense life throws a lot of things at you. You know, it's been 16 years.
Right,
We have grown together literally. You know, I was
right.
like 20 at that point of time, and she was 18 at that point of time. So we were very young when we got along, and then we started became friends and best friends and lovers. Then we got married, and now you know we are moving to another to the next phase of our lives. So I mean, there's so much. I think it's very difficult to express all those 16 years in a small story. But yeah, the most beautiful moments of my life, most evolving moments of my life, my great
Superb.
learning growth comes from this relationship for sure. I think I've definitely become a better person. I have evolved with this relationship for sure.
Superb. Okay, Himanshu, quickly before we
Hmm.
come back to your
Yeah.
career in Bollywood and
Hmm.
your TV industry.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
Himanshu as an individual,
Hmm.
how is Himanshu as an individual,
As an individual, I think
as a
very sensitive.
person, apart from the
Yeah.
screen?
Yeah. Yeah. Very sensitive. I think even on screen you portray a part of you only. मतलब आपके जहन का हिस्सा ही आप portray करते हो. So for me, I would describe Himanshu as quite sensitive, quite emotional, and very caring, very concerned for people, and I think a very compassionate for human beings. Yeah, for sure. That's what
That
I've felt and observed. Yeah, that about myself. That listen, because I feel we all are in everything together. So for me, togetherness is it's something that I don't know where does this concept come to in my mind and my heart and my soul, but togetherness is what I have never believed in me. I've always believed in we. I've always believed in rising together. I've always believed in taking people along with me and rising together. So togetherness is what I believe.
So, Himanshu, now that all of us, we are together in whatever situations we have been into because of COVID-19, of course, and the entire world is struggling with this virus. Himanshu, because there's so many listeners who are listening to you right now, and also they're going to, because the views are going to increase gradually as more number of people start watching this video. So, what is Himanshu has to say about fighting this virus? And how everyone can, even in these tough and stressing times, how one can be strong and be positive all the time.
सी मुझे लगता है कि जब भी कोई परेशानी आती है, ऐसा नहीं कि जिंदगी में परेशानियां आई नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है कि इससे पहले वर्ल्ड वॉर्स नहीं हुए, इससे पहले नहीं नहीं हुआ कि ग्रेट डिप्रेशन नहीं आया, 100 साल पहले वो भी आया, तो इससे पहले वर्ल्ड वॉर्स भी हुई हैं, बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारी चीजों के अंदर फंसे हैं। बट क्या होता है ना, सबसे पहले तो हमें ये बात समझना बेहद जरूरी है कि जब भी कहीं फंस जाते हैं ना, उसको रेजिस्ट करना बंद कर दें, ठीक है, और उससे झगड़ना बंद कर दें कि ये क्यों हो गया, किस लिए हो गया, इसने ऐसा किया था, इसकी वजह से ऐसा हो गया, चाइना ने ये कर दिया, जब XYZ मतलब जापान ने ये कर
Right,
दिया, इसने वो
right,
कर दिया।
right,
No,
right,
stop blaming, take the accountability of the things that something has just happened. अब
right,
कुछ हो गया है, अब बताओ यहाँ से क्या करना है।
right, right,
सॉल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड माइंडसेट कहते हैं इसे। इसका
right,
मतलब ये है कि एक परेशानी आ गई है, अब उसके अंदर से आप क्या अच्छा ढूंढ सकते हो, क्योंकि आई वाज अटेंडिंग अ वेबिनार बिफोर दिस ओनली, and I
yeah,
understand that there are people who are thinking about focusing on the solution at the moment. They're trying to create something out of this. See,
right,
every problem will always have a deepest chupi hui hidden opportunity. अब आप में क्या, आप में वो नजर है कि आप अपॉर्चुनिटी ढूंढ सकते हो और निकाल सकते हो, या आप अपने दिमाग का ये ढक्कन खोल के कुछ नया सोच सकते हो? दिस इज द टाइम टू क्रिएट आइडिया, दिस इज हिस्टोरिक टाइम। मानो यहाँ पे इस समय दुनिया बंद है, करेक्ट? आपको कोई भागना नहीं है, कहीं जाना नहीं है, कुछ नहीं करना। दिस इज द टाइम टू बी क्रिएटिव हियर, टू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि इस समय में ऐसा क्या कर सकता हूँ जो आने वाले 10 साल में काम आ सकता है। किसी ने उबर के बारे में भी तो सोचा ही था ना कि घर बैठे बैठे गाड़ी आ जाएगी। जब गाड़ियों के धक्के खाने पड़ेंगे, ड्राइवर्स के नखरे नहीं बर्दाश्त करने पड़ेंगे, रिक्शा वालों से नेगोशिएशन नहीं करना पड़ेगा, सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी के इश्यूज नहीं होंगे। किसी ने सोचा था ना, किसी ने सोचा था घर पे बैठ के कि मेरी कोई दुकान नहीं होगी, मेरा कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं होगा, लेकिन मैं दुनिया का राजा होऊंगा, अमेज़न की कोई दुकान नहीं है, उनकी अपनी कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, दे डू नॉट सेल एनीथिंग, आपसे सामान लेते हैं और मेरे को सामान पहुंचा देते हैं, उनका डिलीवरी का काम है, सिर्फ कोरियर सर्विस। किसी ने ऐसा सोचा था कि वर्ल्ड्स बिगेस्ट एंड वर्ल्ड्स रिचेस्ट कंपनी विल बी Amazon, जिनका अपना कोई प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं है। सो द पॉइंट इज स्टार्ट थिंकिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, स्टार्ट thinking कि what opportunity we can create out of this. Digital is working. This is the biggest clue I can give you. ऑनलाइन सब चीजें चल रही हैं, डिजिटल सब चल रहा है और आने वाले समय में भी चलेगा। ई कॉमर्स दोबारा शुरू हो जाएगा, रेस्टोरेंट्स बंद हो जाएंगे, सोशल गैदरिंग्स बंद हो जाएंगी, मॉल्स बंद हो जाएंगे, एयर स्पेसेस बंद हो जाएंगे, ट्रैवल बंद हो जाएगा, टूरिज्म बंद हो जाएगा, लेकिन डिजिटल चलता रहेगा। तो सोचो कुछ नया।
So Himanshu,
सोच लोगे तो नया नजरिया आ जाएगा।
बिल्कुल। In fact, there's so many people that I've also personally observed who were not active on social media, but now all of a sudden there's been so much of traffic towards TikTok, towards Instagram, towards Facebook. I think is the least of all right now, but TikTok and Instagram
दो चीजें हैं।
Yes.
दो चीजें हैं इसके अंदर, या तो यह है कि लोग टाइम पास करना चाहते हैं कि कुछ है नहीं, तो इस समय क्योंकि आप वीडियो बना लिया, लेकिन मुझे लगता है जब तक कुछ पर्पस ड्रिवन नहीं होगा ना, तब तक वो आगे कन्वर्ट नहीं हो सकता, कहीं वो आगे आपको कुछ मौका नहीं दे सकता। तो पर्पस अपने अंदर रखो कि वो हम जो कर रहे हैं, अगर वो वीडियो भी डाल रहे हैं तो किस दिशा में डाल रहे हैं, क्यों डाल रहे हैं, इसका रीजन क्या है, इससे मैं क्या जनरेट करना चाहता हूँ, मैं क्या बात पहुंचाना चाहता हूँ। क्योंकि अदरवाइज बिना पर्पस के आप सिर्फ ट्रेंडिंग चीजों को फॉलो करके 4 चीजें ट्रेंडिंग डाल भी दोगे तो सारे लोग यही कर रहे हैं। दैट्स अ वेरी सिंपल फॉर्मूला। आई मीन उससे कुछ हासिल भी कुछ नहीं होगा, बिकॉज यू रनिंग विद द फ्लो ऑफ समथिंग व्हिच, जो वो भेड़ चाल है, आई मीन जो सब कर रहे हैं उसमें आप कर भी लोगे तो आपको कोई यूनिकनेस नहीं मिलेगी, आपको कोई रास्ता नहीं मिलेगा, आप फिर वहीं घूम घाम के बैक टू स्क्वायर वन आ जाओगे। अपना नया रास्ता खुद खोजो, क्योंकि आपकी जिंदगी किसी और की नहीं।
So we'll also take another question here. I know Himanshu, you're short on time. We'll just take another quick 4-5 minutes.
Sure.
Not more than that. He says, can you give us some clues in what direction shall we think? What is the future?
I think मैंने सबसे बड़ा क्लू आपको ये दिया है कि देखिए ना, डिजिटली सब चीजें चलेंगी, डिजिटली सब चीजें चल रही हैं। अगर आप अपने बिजनेस को, अपने काम को, अपने करियर को किसी तरह ऑनलाइन में शिफ्ट कर सकते हो तो चीजें आपके लिए बेटर हैं, आप उनसे सॉल्यूशन निकाल सकते हो, क्योंकि ऑफलाइन तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि ऑफलाइन के लिए तो ऑफिसेस खुलना, लोगों को वहां पे जाना, जिनकी जॉब्स हैं, जिनकी जॉब्स अब थोड़ी सी दिक्कत लग रही है, मुझे लगता है आप थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ, इसको खोलो, स्टार्ट थिंकिंग लाइक एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, स्टार्ट थिंकिंग लाइक अ बिजनेसमैन कि मैं क्या छोटा सा ऐसा कर सकता हूँ, या मैं क्या सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर सकता हूँ घर। देखो, the world will pay for your bills. Everyone listening, the world will pay for your bills if you can add value to the world.
I think everyone who is listening to this is actually, they're actually going to take it in their daily lives also. And
you add value to people's lives in some form or the other, whichever form. It could be as a gym trainer, it could be as anything. मतलब I'm giving the smallest examples. आप घर बैठे बैठे अगर 2 एक्सरसाइज किसी को बता सकते हो जिससे उसका डेली रूटीन बेटर हो सकता है, जिससे उसकी सेहत, बहुत सिंपलेस्ट एग्जांपल, जैसे उसकी सेहत बेटर हो सकती है, उसको न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में बता सकते हो, कुछ भी बता सकते हो। If you can add value to somebody's life, people will pay you. That is for sure. Thumb rule है।
Vidya Khilnani says she's my mom and she's like a terrifically big fan of yours. She says तुम्हारी बातें ही है, God bless you always. And mom, let me tell you, जितना अच्छी इनकी बातें हैं उतने ही अच्छे ये हैं. He's very down to earth. And when I approached him for this thing, not even for once, he said, "Okay, Manvi, I will think about it and I will get back to you." The moment I approached him, second moment he was like, "Okay, Manvi, let's go ahead with." So thank you so much once again.
You're most welcome. The only issue that happened today, unfortunately, is I will tell everyone out here. So I'm attending a webinar which was supposed to start at 9 a.m. which was supposed to end at 1:30. But the point was their app crashed because 50,000 people at the moment are on that webinar. And so because the app crashed, they could not revive it. Then it started at 12:30 p.m. and it got very, very delayed. So I'm also in the middle of a webinar where I'm shifting to Manvi. Otherwise, we could have easily done it aram se for an hour. I'm absolutely
But that's
okay with
all
that.
right. Whatever little time I have another 6
Yes.
minutes. I'm on the clock, and I will make
Yes,
sure
please.
that I wrap it up in the next 6 minutes.
Thank you.
Srivastav Chintan says, very impactful statement, definitely.
Thank you.
Karishma Bhuktani, she says, wow. Okay, Himanshu, just keep the comments on one side right now. So Himanshu, now that you've told that all of us will have to look a way forward and get, slowly and gradually find ourselves in the digital world. But Himanshu, now that everyone's going there, how do you set yourself apart from the others? Because जैसा कि आपने बोला,
purpose.
Yes.
लोगों के पास purpose नहीं है ना. लोग digital तो
Right.
बहुत सारे हैं.
Right.
बहुत सारे लोग वीडियोस बना रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग
Right.
कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एक दिशा बड़ी
Right.
जरूरी है कि किस दिशा में
Right.
जाना चाह रहे हो.
Right.
आज हम भी वीडियोस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, बट हमारे पास एक दिशा है ना.
दिशा
हमारे
है,
पास दिशा है कि शेयर एंड ग्रो किया, that we want to reach out. Our objective is extremely clear. The objective is to reach out to as many people and help as many people.
Right.
खत्म. And
Right.
that is only possible when we are adding value to their lives. And how we are adding value? Through our videos. The videos are also, हम कोई एक्टिंग के वीडियोस नहीं बना रहे हैं इस समय, या हम कुछ मतलब something which has got no purpose. Sometimes it's okay, once in a week or once, because I'm an artist also, so maybe a dance video or an acting video, but predominantly we are also purpose driven at the moment to add value to people's lives. So once you add value and once you're purpose driven, then the videos will start taking a direction. उसके लिए पहले यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा खुद को सेंटर करना पड़ेगा कि आपको क्या चाहिए. If you have a talk show, then the idea is get as many people on the talk show and create this as an IP.
Right. So Jayashil says Disha बहुत जरूरी है, as you also said. She also says agreed. Apia says agreed. Our objectives, which are very important. Okay. Coming back to Himanshu and his career all this while, and in Bollywood and the TV industry, who do you look up to, Himanshu?
As a human being, Hussain Kawajirwala, I think, is a wonderful human being, and I've learned a part of me is also inspired from him, because I have seen the way he behaved on set, the way he has spoken to so many people, the way so many people love him and adore him. See, talent is important, but the blessings and wishes of people are more important than talent. Talent compiled with a beautiful behavior can lead to success. Talent compiled with a bad behavior will only put you down the drain. So it is as simple as that. So I think कला आपके पास है, आप उसे निखारिए, बड़ा जरूरी है. लेकिन अपना behavior, अपना attitude, अपनी sensibilities, जिस तरह से आप लोगों से बात करते हैं, मिलते हैं, all those things are more important than honor.
Right. Okay, so Himanshu, also another thing. I was just going through a interview by Sushmita Sen, and the other day Lara Datta Bhupati, former Miss Universe, she said that whatever dress you wear or however you present yourself of public, people are of course going to remember that, but that is not the legacy that you're going to take ahead with you. What
Absolutely.
You're going to take ahead with you is how humble you are. Humility is what is going to take you ahead in life.
Absolutely right. Because again, I think Swami Vivekanand also said, I think कुछ story ऐसी थी कि some British guy asked him that what kind of clothes are you wearing? So I think his reply was that, in your culture, clothes make a gentleman, but in our culture, character makes a gentleman. So there's a huge difference between that. So it depends on what kind of belief you have. For me, I think your character, your integrity, how you are, again, सूरत से ज़्यादा important है. तो वो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. आपका behavior, आपकी humility, आपका attitude, आपका नजरिया जिंदगी को देखने का, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं इसके अंदर.
So Zimi Varun Kumar, he is I think joining you from your fan page. Salam Walaikum जो बोले सोने हाल सत श्री अकाल. Okay, so he's like greeted you.
सारे मतलब सब जगह से greet कर दिया है. सत श्री अकाल भी हो गया, सलाम वालेकुम हो गया है, सब चीजें हो गई हैं.
Okay, now that I know Himanshu, you have to get back to your webinar. One thing that Himanshu would like to conclude this session with.
So I've always believed in being kind in life. So मैंने गुलजार साहब की 2 लाइनें पढ़ी थी, वो मेरे जहन में छप चुकी हैं और मैंने काफी बार दोहराई भी हैं. And I think if people can understand it, then they should do this. It says, नेकियां करके दरिया में डाल दोगे जो अभी, नेकियां करके दरिया में डाल दोगे जो अभी, वही तूफानों में कश्तियां बनकर साथ देंगी कभी.
क्या बात है.
So
क्या
if
बात
you
है.
do good, it will come back to you. God.
Definitely.
मैंने बचपन में एक वो रिसाइट करता था ऑनलाइन मैंने बस केजी और लोअर केजी कि भला करोगे भला होगा. And I used to recite it in front of so many people at that point of time, so many students. But that's so deeply
Do you
inbred
still
in
remember
my.
that?
Yeah, of course. I think first standard or lower or upper KG कि भला करोगे और भला होगा. That basically means only that you do good and it will come back to you in some form or the other because life is cyclical.
Life, it is a cycle. Definitely. It revolves in a circle. Okay, so Himanshu, one last thing. 30 seconds. Himanshu does shairi.
Sorry, come again.
Does Himanshu? He also indulges in shairi.
Yeah. I love poetry. I love shari. अच्छा, one shari.
Yes.
अच्छा, one
someone
shari.
this session with.
हाँ, कुछ इस तरह से मैंने जिंदगी को आसान बना दिया. कुछ इस तरह से मैंने जिंदगी को आसान बना दिया. किसी से माफी मांग ली तो किसी को माफ कर दिया.
क्या बात है. आई थिंक इसका हिडन जो मतलब है बहुत ही इट हैज अ वेरी डीप इनसाइट टू इट. इट्स सर्कल ऑफ लाइफ. थैंक्स नमन.
एक और है. ये उन लोगों के लिए है जिनका हार्ट ब्रेक हो जाता है and they don't understand what to do in life. It says, इसको अगर समझ सकते हो तो समझ जाना. People have gone through a difficult relationship, they have had heartbreaks and they could not understand why that heartbreak happened. वो इंसान क्यों छोड़ के चला गया और अब मैं क्या करूं, मेरे को बीच में छोड़ के चला गया, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, मैं खत्म हो रहा हूँ, मैं खर्च हो रहा हूँ. तो ये मेरी नहीं है, ये रविंद्र शर्मा की है, लेकिन बहुत कमाल की लाइंस हैं. रविंद्र सिंह की हैं आई थिंक. मैंने उनकी किताब में पढ़ी थी. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. इट सेज कि तेरे जाने का असर कुछ ऐसा हुआ मुझ पर, तेरे जाने का असर कुछ ऐसा हुआ मुझ पर कि तुझे ढूंढते ढूंढते मैंने खुद को पा लिया.
क्या बात है. I think this definitely is going to touch a million hearts जिनका दिल टूटा है.
Because that is the time when you discover yourself.
When you discover yourself,
you find yourself actually.
I think that is the time when you actually discover and you find your purpose of life. कि now that ठीक है मैं अपना सारा time यहाँ devote कर रहा था या कर रही थी, पर अब now that I don't have this thing and I'm free and I'm independent, so people actually start loving themselves. That is
Absolutely.
the time.
That's where the journey of self-love begins as well.
Yes. So thank you so much. I know.
You're most welcome. Yeah, I have to get back to the webinar.
I know. So
I will see you guys. Thank you. It was wonderful talking to you. You are most welcome. Thank you so much and see you around very soon. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, so this was Himanshu Shok Malhotra joining us all the way from Mumbai. So now we have Anurag joining us once again back to take your request. Here we have Anurag. Coming back to you.
Hi. Hello.
Hi, can you hear me, Anurag? Hi, Anurag, can you hear me? Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear your favorite song, Anurag.
मुझे आपकी आवाज बहुत धीमी आ रही है.
Anurag, let's hear your favorite song.
Okay, for sure. One.
I can hear you well.
आपको आ रही है आवाज?
Yes, I can hear you.
आपको आवाज आ रही? Okay. वो शहर बड़े होंगे बोरियत भरे जिनमें तू रहता नहीं, संग मेरे खबर तुझे भी है ये रौनके सभी होती तेरे होने से रहता नहीं, तेरे बिना क्या करे. ऐसे सभी शहरों पे मुझको तरस है आता बड़ा, तेरे लिए हूँ मैं जहाँ खड़ा. मीलों का हो सालों का हो चाहे हो, सफर की परवाह नहीं, मैंने जहाँ तूने जहाँ हो रहा है, पहुंच है जाना वही, तू पहला पहला प्यार है मेरा, तू पहला पहला प्यार है मेरा, तू पहला पहला प्यार है मेरा।
Anurag,
Thank you.
I have already been your fan बहुत पहले से when you used to sing in Dubai and now that you are in Mumbai. Okay, so let's hear some of your favorite Arijit song.
Arijit song.
Yeah.
Okay. So one of my favorite song is Hawaii, which is sung by
It is my
Arijit Singh.
favorite song too.
So this song is dedicated to you. तुझको मैं रख लूं वहाँ जहाँ पे कहीं हो मेरा यकीन, मैं जो तेरा ना हुआ किसी का नहीं, किसी का नहीं, ले जाए जाने का हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए जाने का हवाएं हवाएं, बेगानी है ये बागी निगाहें हवाएं, ले जाए जाने का हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए जाने का, ना मुझको खबर ना तुझको पता। ओ बनाती है जो तू, वो याद चार संग मेरे कब तक चले, इन्हीं से तो मेरी सुबह भी ढले शाम ढले मौसम ढले, ख्यालों का शहर तू जाने तेरे होने से ही आबाद है, हवाएं हक में वही है आते जाते जो तेरा नाम ले देती है जो सदाएं, हवाएं हवाएं मांगी है ये दुआएं, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए जाने कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए जाने कहाँ, ना मुझको खबर ना तुझको पता। Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anurag. Since it's time for us to conclude the third episode of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani, one song that you'd like to dedicate to everyone who's listening to this video and to you, of course.
Okay, song, एक कोई भी song, like, okay, done. मेरे बिना मैं रहने लगा हूँ, तेरी हवा में बहने लगा हूँ, जाने में कैसे तेरा हुआ हूँ, मुझे तो लगता है मैं शायद तेरे दिल की दुआ हूँ, तुझको जो पाया तो जीना आया, अब ये लम्हा ठहर जाए थम जाए बस जाए हम दोनों के दरमिया, हाँ तुझको जो पाया तो जीना आया, अब ये लम्हा ठहर जाए, थम जाए, बच जाए हम दोनों के दरमियां। Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think everyone has already fallen in love with your voice. And guys, he is on Instagram. If you are not following him till now, please go follow him. I'm helping you increase your followers. Thank you, Anurag.
Thanks a lot.
How is his name? Coming all the way from Dubai, Lucknow, and Mumbai, a quite talented singer with a soulful voice. Thank you, Anurag. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manvi. Thanks a lot, Manvi.
What's the name of the guy who is sitting behind you? We'd also like to thank him.
Okay, he's Prashant Chaudhary.
Hi,
and
Prashant,
the guy who is और जो बंदा मुझे दिखा रहा है आपको, वो है रोहित बरुआ.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Manvi. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. All right, this was the third episode of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani. Tomorrow, we have a very famous guest amongst us. जिनको आपने FM पे सुना होगा और रोज सुनते होंगे when traveling was allowed all over. घर से ऑफिस, ऑफिस से घर तक एक सुबह जो आपको आवाज मिलती होगी, सुनती होगी, वो हम आपको कल उनसे रूबरू कराने वाले हैं. Let's keep it a surprise element for everyone. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, namaskar. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद for joining us here at the third episode of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani.